how to download and set the lock screen video wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Themes. In here, tap on Wallpapers. Next, we tap on the search button and then tap on say dog video. So in the search box, search what you want to look for. So for example, I'm going to search for dog videos. And then just browse in here. You can see if the wallpaper is of type video, you can select that video wallpaper. Now you can also tap on the drop down, and from here it will show you can view videos by popular, new, top pay, or top 3. So for example, I'm going to select top 3, and then in here go down the list and select a video that you want to download. So you can say this one right here, and then you can tap on the download button. So tap on download. Depending on the size of the video, it may take some time to download. After, you can tap on the apply button, and you can see that is the lock screen video wallpaper. So I'm going to cancel that. And in here, once you have downloaded, it is on your device. So I'm going to tap on wallpaper, then my stuff. In my stuff, you can see that I have 3 video wallpaper. I can say select that one, then tap on done, and then tap on the home button. Now if I lock my device and go to my lock screen, and this is what the video wallpaper look like. And that's it. You can also set your own video as a wallpaper. To do that, first go back to your home screen, then open up the gallery. In the gallery, now you can search for your video, or you can use the camera to record a video. So go down the pictures and then browse for a video that you want to use. Here I'm going to say select this video right here, and in here tap on the more button, then tap on set as wallpaper. Next, select lock screen, and you can also trim. So tap on the trim button, and from here you can choose which part of the video that you want to use for your lock screen. So you can use the full video length or just part of the video. So we can trim it, then tap on done, then tap on done at the top to save the changes. After, if you go to your lock screen, you can see this is your own video. And that's it. So that is how you can set the lock screen video wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.